Good day everyone. I am Kevin Dayag, Quality Assurance Engineer. So today pag-uusapan natin ang isang bagay na importante pero madalas hindi agad napapansin and it is how we listen as an organization. When we say listening, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pakikinig kapag may reklamo. It is much bigger than that. It means understanding the needs, the expectations, yung feedback, and experiences of the people who matter to MVGFC. So sino ba yung mga yon? Our students, parents, employees, alumni, partners, community, and even yung mga regulatory bodies. So sa madaling salita, kung gusto nating maging excellent na educational organization, hindi sapat na magturo lang tayo o magbigay ng services. Kailangan marunong din tayo makinig, umintindi, at umaksyon. So this is the purpose of MVGFC listening channels. Ito yung iba't ibang paraan kung paano tayo nakakakuha ng feedback, ng concerns, suggestions, and expectations from our interested parties. Both internal and external, of course. And mahalagang tandaan natin, this is not just about compliance requirement. This is how we stay relevant, responsive, and continuously improve. So today, our goal is simple. Maintindihan kung sino ang pinakikinggan natin, paano natin sila pinakikinggan, at bakit napakahalaga na kompleto ang isang connection ng lahat ng channels na ito.